Getting started.
1. Listen and read.
The young pop star looks shy, right?
Yeah, he's the teen idol who's exciting female fans around the world.
He also looks passionate on stage.
Looks can be deceiving, haha. I bought his platinum album, My World, a few years ago.
Do you know a lot about him?
Of course, I'm one of his biggest fans. I read his biography on the internet and found out that he won second place in the Idol contest in his home country, Canada.
Really? So he's very talented. Did he graduate from a famous music school?
No, he says he learned by just singing around the house.
Every country's got talent.
You're right, Mai. How did he become popular, Anna?
His mother began to post homemade videos on the internet in 2007. He became a superstar within 2 years.
Incredible!
I agree with you. His video got over 10 million views, so he became well known. He was also the first solo artist to have 4 singles enter the top 40 before his debut album release.